In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problem under balance of payments. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 play questions to practice with the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says a fall in the value of country's currency vis a vis under currency standard. So this is very simple. Depreciation, option B. Next question, this one, it says trading position of Nigeria is the same as her balance of trade, option A. Next question, this one, it says the difference between the total payment for imports and the receipts from exports within a given period is referred to as balance of trade, option A. Next question, it is when a country is said to be experiencing an unfavorable balance of trade if her export exceed imports. No. Visible import exceed visible export. Visible export exceed visible imports. Imports and exports are equal. So the right answer to this question is option C, when visible imports exceed visible exports. Next question, this one, it says the rate at which a country's exports exchange for its imports is called. So the right answer to this question is option A, terms of trade. Okay. Next question, this one, it says a fall in the value of a country. This is a repeated question. The right answer is option D, depreciation. Next question, this one, it says a country's terms of trade are said to improve when the ratio of her exports increases, option A. Next question, it says the trade components of a country's balance of payment are. So the right answer to this question is option C. Okay, current account, capital account, and monetary movement account, option C. Next question, this one, it says the balance of payment of countries is. So the right answer is option A, a systematic record of transactions among countries at a given time. So that's the right answer. The trade relationship and payments among nations, no. The current on the capital accounts and the payment, no. The record of imports and exports, no. The right answer is option A. Next question, this one, it says trade position of Nigeria is the same as. So this is a play question. The right answer is option C, balance of trade. Okay. Next question, which of the following could account for a favorable balance of payment? Okay, favorable. So it will have to do with higher exports than imports. Very important, option D. Next question, it is when it says balance of payment is made up of visible and invisible items. Option A is the right answer. Okay, next question, this one, it says the comparison of a country's visible and invisible exports and imports expressed in monetary term is balance of trade, option C. Next question, a country's visible balance of payment is made up of earnings from goods exported, dividend earned from companies, profit from investment abroad, interest on loans to foreign countries. Right answer is option A, earnings from goods exported. Okay, next question, this one, it says balance of payment problems arise if a country's imports is more than exports. Option C. Next question, which of the following could account for favorable balance of payment? Okay, so the right answer is option A, favorable, higher exports than imports. Okay, next question says the rate at which a country's export exchange for its imports, and as the right answer is option D, terms of trade. Always be able to differentiate when the question has terms of trade as the correct answer and when it has balance of trade as the right answer. Last question before I end this video is this one. It says a country is said to be experiencing an unfavorable balance of trade if her visible imports exceed visible exports. Yeah, so unfavorable balance of trade has to do with when imports exceed exports. Okay, so right answer here is option A, when visible import is still visible export. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving balance of payment for your JAMB commerce, a subtopic in trade. Practice with about 18 to 20 video questions for this subtopic. Hope you something interesting with the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment the video. Tell me how you feel. What I like from the video. If you seem to have any specific question asked regarding what I talk about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will sure to give you a response. So ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button. You're getting premium information I help you yourself. Your snare design like a JAMB and other snare design writing. Alright, so having done this, click the next one above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.